Spot number 3 in this rundown of our favourite e-commerce platforms goes to Squarespace. It's best for online stores that also want a beautifully designed site. Squarespace is first and foremost a website builder, so it boasts a wealth of award-winning drag-and-drop design templates that can be used to transform your site into a moneymaker. Squarespace offers familiar and essential functionalities like integrated email marketing, SEO support, and reviews. There are 0 transaction fees, you don't need to do any coding, and if you do get stuck, their support is great. To find user-led ways to improve experience and boost conversion rates, integrate your Squarespace with Hotjar. The main negatives of Squarespace? Some core features are paywalled, and the lack of e-commerce focus may be a problem in some cases. Also, beautiful templates are great, but if you want to go beyond them, you'll still need to code. Sorry. In second place is BigCommerce. It's best for large businesses with the budget to afford some add-ons. BigCommerce is the choice of multinationals like Vodafone and Ben & Jerry's. And it comes with many features to support large enterprises, like international and multi-channel selling, and a wide range of business management tools. There are no additional transaction fees to pay, it's easy to get started, and 24/7 support is a nice bonus. To get the lowdown on customer experience though, you can integrate BigCommerce with Hotjar. The downsides to BigCommerce, well, although you can host with them, you can't register your domain name, which means extra admin hassle. Also, the free templates can be tricky to customize, and you'll have to pay extra for some of the business management tools. Our number 1 spot goes to Shopify. It's best for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution with top-class support. Shopify is the e-commerce platform of choice for over 1 million online stores. There are advanced design tools and a great community. You can choose from over 100 paid and free themes to set up your online store, and you can launch your shop on a website, social media, and even on third-party marketplaces like Amazon. One of the main advantages of Shopify is their 6,000 plus plugins and APIs. Using these plugins and APIs, you can connect your online store to the other business services you use, like shipping, payment processing, email marketing, and more. Make sure to use the dedicated Hotjar Shopify integration to understand how people are interacting with your store, where they're dropping off, and how to optimize user experience to boost sales. Our main Shopify negatives: transaction fees, and the fact that once you're in the Shopify ecosystem, leaving it can be tough. Do you agree with our top 3? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe for more content like this.